As the semester winds down, many students are packing up and heading home for the summer, but for local businesses, that transition can bring a major shift.
Student workers make up a large portion of the workforce in college towns, and when they leave, businesses are often left trying to fill in the gaps.
From adjusting schedules to starting the hiring process early, preparation is key to avoiding disruptions. Still, for many local businesses, the change can be noticeable. Fewer workers means shorter hours, slower service, or added pressure on the remaining staff.
Even with the challenges, business owners say adapting has become a part of their routine, finding ways to stay flexible while continuing to serve their community through the summer months.
Owners say it's something they've learned to expect, planning months in advance to keep operations running smoothly.
All of our recreation guides are students at Troy University, and so every season we have a slight turnaround, and so we just like to plan far in advance. We know when we keep finals and all that, graduation on our calendar, so we plan ahead. We know when the semester will end and how to set up interviews and things like that for incoming applications.
Thankfully, the summer slump is only temporary, with things expected to pick back up when students return in the fall.